Okay guys, I'm outside in a shirt, shorts, and flip-flops. Seems like it's pretty hot out here. Well, I'm doing a short vlog. I'm going to show y'all what it's doing here in Tuscaloosa, Alabama right now. Look behind me, you see snow everywhere. This is somewhat, I wouldn't say rare, but this is like the most snow that I have seen since 2010. Before that, it was like 95. Then before that, 92, and before that, 87. But that was when I was up in Tennessee. But as you can see, there is snow on the cars, and you really can't see the snowflakes coming down right now, but it's coming down pretty good. It's about, I'd say, 2 inches. And so this is the video vlog for the day, and which is I'm outside, as you can see, shorts, flip-flops. It is about 15 degrees out here. So a lot of snow. The pool ain't frozen yet, and let's get in a little bit of zoom right over here. See all the snow on the roof. Alright, let's go all the way across the apartment complex. Alright. I'm at a 1x zoom. And there, you can see the snow falling now. Sorry about the shaky camera, I don't have my tripod. I'm just at a 75x zoom. So let me come back out. And it's what we call a winter storm. They done let out all the schools. They done let everybody go home. This is actually considered a somewhat of a disaster area according to Alabama. So, because we never see this. It never snows like this in Alabama. Very, very rarely. Probably the next snow we'll get will probably be in the next 5-6 years like this. So, but this is Ian with Southern Dream Films and Productions. Like I said, sorry I do not have my tripod set up, but wintry weather at Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Y'all take care.